Want to stream music from your smartphone in your Citroën C5 III from 2007 to 2017? While the factory system lacks native Bluetooth audio, this video provides solutions. We'll cover options for adding Bluetooth to your car, letting you wirelessly play your favorite tunes. The easiest solution for Bluetooth streaming in your C5 III is using a retrofit kit. These adapters plug directly into your car's aux or USB port and receive audio wirelessly from your smartphone. Popular brands include Parrot, Pioneer, and Kenwood. You'll find these kits priced between $50 and $150, offering reliable performance for legacy vehicles like yours. Most kits support Bluetooth 5.0, providing better range up to 10 meters and improved stability compared to older versions, reducing audio dropouts during your drives. To set up, simply enable Bluetooth on your smartphone, scan for the adapter's device name, and connect using the provided PIN code, usually 0000. Start by purchasing a compatible Bluetooth adapter that connects via aux or USB ports. Brands like Parrot or Pioneer offer reliable kits costing around $50 to $150, ensuring compatibility with your C5 III. Next, locate the aux or USB port in your C5 III. These are typically found in the center console or near the stereo unit, often marked with headphone or USB symbols. Plug the Bluetooth adapter into the aux or USB port. Ensure it's securely connected to avoid audio interruptions during use. Turn on your car's audio system and select the correct input source, either aux or USB, depending on how your adapter connects. On your smartphone, go to Bluetooth settings and pair with the adapter. The device name varies by brand, like Parrot Bluetooth or similar. Enter any required PIN, usually 0000. Play music on your smartphone. Adjust volume using both your phone's controls and the car stereo for the best listening experience. Audio quality in Bluetooth streaming depends on codecs, impedance matching, low latency, and digital processing features. Bluetooth uses codecs like SBC for basic audio, but newer adapters support aptX or AAC for significantly better sound quality. Ensure your adapter's output impedance matches the head unit, typically 4 to 8 ohms, for the best audio performance and to protect your speakers. Maintain latency under 50 milliseconds to ensure audio playback stays perfectly synchronized with your smartphone. Consider adapters with digital signal processing for improved audio equalization and overall sound quality in your C5 III. If you experience connection problems, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices and that the adapter is properly powered. Compatibility issues can occur with older head units, requiring firmware updates. Battery drain on your phone can be minimized with newer adapters that have power management features. If sound quality is poor, check for codec support on both your phone and the adapter. Looking ahead, future Bluetooth adapters will incorporate advanced AI features. These include AI-powered noise cancellation to eliminate unwanted sounds and adaptive EQ that automatically adjusts audio quality based on your environment. Over-the-air software updates will allow adapters to receive improvements and new features wirelessly, keeping your system current without hardware changes. Wireless technology will continue to advance, providing more reliable connections and lower latency for better audio streaming. Seamless integration with voice assistants like Google Assistant and Siri will enable hands-free control and natural interactions. Eco-friendly kits made from recycled materials are emerging, promoting sustainability in automotive audio solutions. These trends will make Bluetooth audio streaming in your C5 III even more advanced and user-friendly, ensuring your car stays connected with the latest technology.